Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report.
At 3:39 this morning, a Volkswagen Passat that was travelling the wrong way down the A66 has collided with a marked Cleveland Police armed response vehicle which was travelling on the correct side of the road. Tragically, two police officers, PC Matthew Blades and PC Tom Clough, died at the scene, along with the 5 occupants of the Passat as a result of the collision. This is an incredibly sad day for Cleveland. The loss has been felt across our communities, by our police family and by our partner agencies. These were brave officers, protecting our communities and serving our residents who didn't return home to their families at the end of their shift. My thoughts, and the thoughts of everybody here at Cleveland Police, are with their families, friends, colleagues and loved ones at this incredibly difficult time. Earlier today, the Deputy Chief Constable and I visited Matthew and Tom's families to offer our condolences, support one another and begin to come to terms with this unimaginable loss. Formal identification has now taken place for the occupants of the Volkswagen Passat, and specialist family liaison officers are being deployed to support the bereaved families. We also have support in place for our officers and staff who have been affected by today's tragic events. As is mandatory following any death connected to a police incident, we have referred the matter to the Independent Office for Police Conduct and are fully cooperating with their investigation. Whilst this investigation is ongoing, and out of respect for all those who have lost loved ones, I would strongly urge people to avoid speculation and respect the privacy of the families.